Have you tried the classic peanut butter blossom cookie? If you haven't tried my recipe, you haven't had the best there is. This is a really soft, tender cookie, and I'm going to show you how I do that, and there's a key ingredient in that to make it a little bit more tender and stay tender. Come on, let's get baking. First things first, take your Hershey's Kisses and get the foil off of them and get them all ready in a bowl. You'll thank me later because when it comes time for cooking, they cook so quickly, you'll want to have this done. So just set those off to the side for now, and we're going to start on the actual peanut butter portion of the cookie. So we're taking butter, our peanut butter, and if you notice I have it in water, that is a way of measuring it. I have that video attached to the top. We're going to add into that our brown sugar and our white sugar. And we're going to cream that all together. Once that's all creamed together and that sugar starts dissolving into the butter and the peanut butter, we're going to add in 1 egg and do that just until it's blended. We're also going to add in a little bit of milk, and that's going to help soften up these cookies and keep them soft. A little bit of vanilla, and then we're going to add in our flour, our salt, and our baking powder. And you can put that all in at one time and then just mix it until it's all blended together. Do you see how quick that comes together? And it's a nice, soft, fluffy texture. We're going to take a 1 tablespoon cookie scooper and just make little balls and roll them out and drop them in some extra sugar. And what we're going to do is we're just going to lightly roll them in that extra sugar and then place them on the pan. You're also going to have that oven preheated to 375 degrees so that when we're ready to bake, it's already preheated for us. Now, could I just drop these in the sugar using the cookie scooper? I could, but I do like the roundness of them. It just makes for a prettier cookie. So I'm rolling them in the sugar and placing them on the pan. They are not going to spread very much, so you can put them fairly close together. Really, the spreading will come in when we put that Hershey's Kiss on the top of it. They're all set on the pan. They've all been rolled in the sugar. We're not going to add those Hershey's Kisses on yet. We're going to do that after they bake. We're going to bake them for about 7 to 8 minutes, just until they start getting nice and round and a little bit of golden brown on the bottom. Fresh out of the oven. So you can see that they have just a little bit of a crackle to the top of them. And what we're going to do is right away, as soon as it gets out of the oven, we're going to take the Hershey's Kisses that we have the foils off of, and we're going to sink one about halfway down into the cookie. And you can see how it splits and it's forming our little peanut butter blossom. The heat from the cookie is going to melt that chocolate a little bit and make it softer. And this is the final step in making our peanut butter blossoms. Once you've placed all of the Hershey's Kisses inside of each of the peanut butter balls, you're going to let them sit for just a little bit on the pan. You're going to transfer them over onto a wire rack. For this recipe, you'll find it at the end of the video, and for other recipes, check out our Sharky's Greenhouse YouTube channel for many tips, tricks, and recipes there. Have a great day!